In today's video, we are going to talk about how to install Git on Windows 11. Myself, Mohammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become a highly paid IT pro really fast. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Well, first of all, let's see if Git is available in our Windows 11 or not. So for that purpose, I'll open my command prompt. So just write here cmd in your search area and just hit enter. After that, I'll write here git. If I just hit enter, here it says Git is not recognized as an internal or external command. It means Git is not installed into our Windows 11 at the moment. Open your browser and just write here download Git, hit enter. It will give you a lot of links. The first link is from Git itself. Just click on this one that says download Git SCM. I will just click on this one, and from here we have several choices. As we are going to install it onto our Windows 11, that is why I'll click on Windows. It will open a new window for us. From here you can download the file as per your system. As I am using 64-bit version of my Windows, that is why I'll go with the second option that says 64-bit Git for Windows setup. I'll just click on this one. It has started the download process for my Git. I will wait for it and then we'll move ahead. It will get done in about 20 seconds. And now let's go to the folder where we have our Git downloaded. So here I have my Git. I will just double click on it to install it into my Windows 11. And the installation process has just started. Click on next. This is the directory where it is going to get installed. You can change it by clicking on browse, and you can go to any directory as per your liking. I'll stay with the default one. I'll just click on next. From here, choose the components that you want to use with your Git. I'll choose the default one and I will not change anything. So I'll just click on next from here, and from here I will just click on next. I will not change anything because here it says select start menu folder. I'll stay with this one. Click on next from here. Again click on next. From here it is asking adjusting the name of the initial branch in the new repositories. I want my Git to decide, so I will just click on next from here. Here it is asking for the path environments. I'll leave the default options and I will click on next. You can go with use Git and optional Unix tools from the command prompt as well, but I'm okay with the recommended options. So just click on next from here. And in terms of OpenSSH, we have two options, external or the bundled. This is the default one. I'll go with this one. So I'll just click on next. I'll go with the default again. Click on next here. And again, click on next. Do not change anything in here. Here it is asking about the configuration of terminal emulator so that we can use it with the Git bash. I'll go with the default option. Click on next. And here it says default. It is about git pull. Pull command gets used to get the content from the Git to your local machine. I'll just click on next in here. Again click on next. And here it is asking enable file system caching. So just click on next in here. In here we have two options in terms of configuring our experimental options. I would recommend you to leave both of these and just click on install. So I'll just click on install and the installation process has just begun. So we will wait for it so that we can go ahead. So we are done with the installation, and now I'll launch my Git bash. That is why I'll go with the first option and I will uncheck the second one. Click on finish and it will open a terminal type window for us. In here, let's try some of the commands. First of all, I will write here pwd, hit enter. Basically, we are into C, user and user repository. Let's create a folder in here, and the command for that is, well, if you have a know-how about Linux distribution, you will know what I'm going to do here. Basically, mkdir gets used to create a new folder. So I will just write here mkdir and I will write the name of my folder. I will name it as skills build, hit enter. So we have successfully created our folder. Let's see if we have this folder available or not. So for that, I will write here ls. Well, ls gets used to list out the content of a directory. If I write here ls, hit enter, here you can see we have skills build available and it is running. And now let's see at the end if the Git is installed into our system or not. I will write here git space ---- version. And now if I just hit enter, and here you can see here it says git version 2.35.2 Git.windows.1. It means this version of Git has been installed and it is up and running into my Windows 11. Let's confirm it from our CMD as well so that we can cross check it. So I will just search for my CMD, which is command prompt. I will open this one and now I will just write here git. And here we have all the commands and all the content available from the Git. It means Git is up and running into our Windows 11. And that brings us to the end of today's video. I hope now you must have liked the way that I have shown you that how you can install Git into your Windows 11 very easily. If that is the case, please leave a like, subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll get back to you in the next video. Till then, take care.